Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Happy Mom and Crazy Cray Kids. Here is my son Vaibhav. Say hello.
Hi.
Vaibhav is trying to make a small paper box and he wants to show how to make this paper box and share some easy simple techniques which will be very useful for small kids at home. The simple paper crafts will keep our children engaged and active when they are at home. This will also keep their brain a little active. Engaging in such activities along with the parent will actually give us a good mom-son time, a parenting time. So now off to Vaibhav.
Hi. Today I'm gonna make a box. It's a very easy box. You can use it for storing many kind of things. So first we start off with a normal paper. This isn't normal, this is actually an origami paper. I prefer origami paper because it is thin. It is thinner than the normal copier paper. When it is thinner, it will be easier to make creases, which is very important in origami. So okay, let's start. We take a paper. We'll start by folding it by half. Make sure all the edges align and we press it. Slowly make sure all the edges align. See? Yeah. Now done. Usually everyone creases these kind of papers with a scissor. Like this. But when origami paper it's already thin, if you crease it with a scissor, it will turn. So I use a scale. Just keep it and slide it. Now you see the crease will be more perfect. Okay, moving on to step 2. We fold it again by half. Make sure all the edges align. Slowly. Done. Now we take our scale. Slowly slide it through. And we do the edges twice because those are the very important parts. Done. Now we open up the paper. Open up the paper and then
That's my daughter Sahana just peeping in out of curiosity, trying to find out what her little brother is doing. And Vaibhav, you can continue.
Sure. Okay. Now, it was like this when we folded it, right? Then we open up. This has two sides because it has been folded. This has one side because it's still being folded. Now, we take the one with two sides. We make a diagonal fold from the edge to the center line. And then we make sure all the edges are aligned. And then we first crease it with our hand. Then we take our scale and crease it. Make sure you do all the creases properly because those are the main things that will contribute to making your box perfect. Okay, moving on. We'll take the other side, the left hand side, and we will make it the same as on the right side. Yeah, and now it's creased. Since this side has only one, we folded it directly. And this side has two, so we fold only one. And then we turn the paper around, do the same thing on the other side. Each with our hand and take one side. Make sure all the edges are aligned. Yeah. Now, if you see carefully, you can see all the edges are aligned. All the line matches. Now, we'll crease this. Once we've creased it, we'll take a paper, which is like this. This line should be accurate. Should be the same. if these two are not matching, your box won't come out properly. Take this line and you fold it, keeping this line as an example. Now, when you fold, you make sure that this center line makes, and then you crease it. Yeah. Now we open up, turn around. See, now you can see the lines are so accurate. Okay, now we take the other side. We fold it like that, the same way. Make sure this edge is aligned. Make sure this edge is aligned. And make sure this edge is aligned. Now, crease with our thumb. Then crease with our scale. Now, we open up. Take the side which has two layers. And you take one layer, the layer which we folded. And you fold it on top. Again, the layer which we have folded and made two small triangles up. So, your paper looks like this.
Take your hands off. Let us show them a closer view. Perfect.
Yeah. Now, we take this paper. The paper we just now folded. This paper. Make sure it's folded all properly. And then we crease it. Okay, now there will be a pouch kind of thing here when you have folded it.
Can you turn it and show Vaibhav?
Yeah.
Turn the other side for a clearer view. Show it up straight. And now right ways.
Now,
Okay.
this is the portion where we will be making our box. There will be a pouch like thing created here. And we got to open that thing up, open it, and then you emphasize. Can you see these two creases here?
Yes.
And you take that and you emphasize that crease. You make that more stronger.
Okay, so we are folding it and making it thick.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
just
then
to get the shape of the box, and there we are.
Exactly. And do it on the same other side.
Guys, this sounds quite interesting. A fantastic time pass.
Then, now, you gotta take it like this. Now it will kind of look like this.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, moving on. So it looks like this. You've got to take the right side edge and there'll be a small square marked here. You should fold this square into half. Like this. And then you make sure this line matches with this line. And the top point is accurate. Done. See? Now it's perfect. Now you take the small triangle we made and turn it on this side. You see? The one we made on this side. Okay? Now,
Wow.
there is a small flap here. You got to take the triangle we made and tuck it in.
Okay.
Tuck it in. And there you go. The
One
first
side. Yes.
first side of the box is made. Now, the other side, you do the same. The same thing which we did. And yeah. Press on this line, crease it, and make sure not to crease this part, this triangle and the other triangle with the scale, because this is the most thinnest part on our paper. It will get torn too easily. Yeah, now we take that and take the flap and we insert it. And done. That's a box right here.
Okay, can you show the other box that you tried sometime back? Open and show the entire box.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is
So
the top
this is
of
the
the
box.
box. Something that Vaibhav did with a normal paper.
This is a normal paper. I just wanted to try it. See how it comes out. And so this is the final reveal. This is the box. You put your hands in and you pull it out.
So what do you think can these boxes be used for, Vaibhav?
These boxes can actually be used for holding pills, medicines, or tablets. Otherwise, you can use it for making crayons, holding crayons, pencils, and
Dice, coins.
yeah, dice,
Your pinboard
coins,
pins.
pinboard pins,
Yes.
all these. It's quite a useful box. Okay, see you in our next video. Bye.